once this is done also, then I'll have some information on that.
Okay. So Subbu is anyway recording.
हाँ आदि
Yeah.
जस्ट
Okay.
एक बार अभी तक जो बोला है एक बार बोल दो. He will just क्योंकि just in case he has missed something.
Got it. See, first you have to log into the seed host. Okay. After the seed host, you need to log into the seed VM.
Okay.
So I have provided the credentials for seed host and seed VM in the email.
Okay.
After you log into the seed VM, you have to go to this path: Depot HP NFA Systems 1.1 Common Tools. In this common tools, you have basically three folders: Master Installer, CPLM, and Scripts. Master Installer contains the Ansible playbook, which will basically go in and install every single component.
Okay.
The way the Master Installer is built is, if you have a component which is already installed, then it will not go and reinstall that. So there.
Okay.
So it basically keeps a track of what all is installed and what is not installed.
Okay.
So inside this master installer folder, there is there is the Ansible playbook and all the roles that are there in the Ansible playbook.
Okay.
So in addition, there is something called a CPLM. CPLM is the Component Lifecycle Manager.
Okay.
So for NFA systems, they have built something called as a Component Lifecycle Manager.
Okay.
Everything inside NFA systems is called a component. So for example, ESX, VSA, vCenter, OneView, CMC, IMC, everything is a component.
Okay.
So now with this component lifecycle manager, you can basically get the status of each of these components. So I mean, we have already installed ESX on it. So if you go and check the status of ESX, it's going to say that ESX is installed.
Okay. I mean, for installation, we'll go for Master Ansible. To check the status, we'll go to CPLM.
Correct. If you want to check the status, you have to go to CPLM. If you want to check, if you want to do the plain installation, you have to go into the Master Ansible.
Okay, sure.
So actually, the Master Ansible playbook will underline. It will call the CPLM scripts only, CPLM commands only.
Okay.
But it does a lot of other things. But in addition, it will essentially do this CPLM commands itself.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll just run you through the Master Ansible playbook, because you have to run this tomorrow.
Yes. Okay.
So there are roles inside of this Master Ansible playbook.
Yes, I can see that. Yeah.
Okay. So we have installed 5920, 5930, OA, and OA 6125 and ESXi. Okay. Till here we have done. So Ansible keeps a track of this inside the temp directory. So if I'll just go to the temp directory. We open another tab. रीबूट पे पूरा टेम्प डायरेक्टरी क्लियर हो जाता है क्या?
यस. रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है पे?
अच्छा ठीक है. तो I think the temp directory, so the temp directory basically contains the tracking files. Okay. So now all the track files are gone. So I'll have to manually create the track files before I run anything.
Oh, okay.
So I'll do that today. Otherwise, it will go and try to reinstall everything right from the beginning.
Oh. Is it has some naming convention while creating the track files?
Yeah. So I'll just show you that. CPLM ESXi -o current state. If I do, it should say installed.
Okay.
So this is basically the CPLM. See, I wanted to show you the track files, but the track files are gone. So I'll just so the track files basically are named such that okay. it last year. So for each role that you see right here, there is a folder. So if you go into NFSys, for example, 5920 underscore STRE, you'll see this part. Do you see this?
Yes. Loading. Inside NFSys, isn't it?
Yeah. Inside NFSys. So for every component, the master installer basically has three main tasks to do. One is a pre-check, one is a configure or deploy, and the other thing is a post-check.
Okay.
Okay, so for every task, it will go ahead and create a tracking file. So can you see my screen? I highlighted the track, this thing.
No.
Not yet. Huh?
Not yet.
Okay. So anyway, basically what it does is it will just create a tracking file immediately after the first, immediately after each component gets done. So after a pre-check, if the pre-check is successful, it goes and creates a track file for the pre-check, and after the post-check and after the configure. So for every role, it basically goes and creates a tracking file.
Okay.
So the next time that you run, if the tracking file is present, then it will then the
skip it.
Yes, it will basically go ahead and skip it.
Okay.
So now I'm showing you the main Ansible roles file. So inside this, what you have is what we have completed 5920, 5930, OA 6125, and ESXi.
Yes.
Okay. Today we'll go ahead and do the store virtual part.
Okay.
And if it gets completed, then you have to start from vCenter tomorrow.
Okay.
If it does not get completed, then you also have to continue the store virtual part only.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll do that.
Okay. So now let me just go to the guide. There are some additional guide. There is an additional troubleshooting guide also, which I'll pass on to you.
Okay. It is apart from the installation guide, isn't it?
Yeah.
I have one enclosure starter kit and installation configuration guide.
Correct. So apart from this, there is a troubleshooting guide as well. Yeah. So I'll send you the troubleshooting guide as well. But before that, what I wanted to show was, see, section 5.12 in that guide, right, is the actual installation of the control plane components using the master installer.
You're saying about this installation guide, isn't it?
Yeah. Inside the installation guide, if you can open the installation guide.
Yeah, it is something physical cabling and network connectivity. Something is shown on that.
Section 5.12.
1.2. You're saying okay. Okay. 12. Okay. Fine. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So now if you open section 5.12,
it says about
okay, so we have completed till 5.12.8.
1.2.8. Okay.
Now 1.2.9 is actually VSA, and that is wrong. We will do store virtual instead of VSA. So the instructions for store virtual are missing. So that's why I think we know the instructions now. So we'll try to complete it, and if it is not complete, then I'll pass you the instructions for that as well. But hopefully we should get that done today.
Okay.
So after that is done, you have to start from the vCenter part. So for every component here, there is actually a manual. There is a manual this thing also. So there's a list of manual steps that you have to do before the actual vCenter is installed.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So if I look at the DL configurations is done. Yeah. Okay. So you have to look at section. What the hell, man? There are two things with the same installation of control plane components using component installers, using master installer. Okay. using master installer. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to see is to see the list of, to see if there is any manual configuration steps that you need to do before you run the master install.
vCenter. Okay.
Okay, so there are 2-3 different sections that you have to check. So the documentation is not clear at all. Okay, so what I'm trying to show you is where all you have to possibly see for the list of manual instructions that are needed before you actually execute the master installer. Okay. So you might potentially have to look at 5.18.3 where there is installation of vCenter here.
Okay.
So
Aditya, actually, the thing what I'm looking is something different. 5.18 is showing this deployment of value-added packs using Ansible playbook.
Subbu, you sent him 1.0 or 1.1?
No, the name says NFV System 1.1 encloses starter kit installation configuration guide.
1.1, man. Whatever our Solil had sent me.
नहीं सोहेल के पास कुछ पुराना वाला होगा.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay, wait. Let me just send you an email. So this is about 19 MB.
Okay, fine. Fine, you can send it. I can just check it. But this is completely okay. Fine, I had to correlate.
Okay. So I'll send this. But essentially, what you have to do is.
Yeah, I understood that.
You can't look at the screen also, right? You're not able to see the screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're in the middle of installation of VSA or?
Store virtual.
Yes, the store virtual. You're downgrading it, isn't it, from 12.5 to 12.0?
Yeah. Now we need to do the store virtual.
12.0 or 11. Something.
No, 12.0. These are for 20 MB email, so it might take time.
Yeah, I don't know how much it takes time for you, but it takes more time for me. Anyways, I'm writing it down. I need to follow the manual in 5.18 to check the instructions for vCenter.
You have to basically 5.18 and 5.19 is what you need to look at.
Okay.
In these two sections, basically there is no separate section which says manual configuration. But for every component, when we have tried to run, right, it will fail because we have not done the manual config. So I'm just trying to tell you that these sections might have that manual config. So just check these sections before you actually go ahead and do the install. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. So 5.18 and 5.19 is what you need to look. Also look at the troubleshooting guide if there's any post-install tasks. Okay. I think apart from that, you should be good. Okay, what else do I need to tell you?
If VSA is installed, we should go with vCenter. After that, CMC and IMC, followed by HCG. One view followed by HCG.
Correct.
Okay. Is everything a single script which execute all these things, or I need to execute step by step for this?
So what will happen is, as soon as a single component is installed, so each component has a pre-check, pre-check, configure, and post-check. Okay. As soon as each component is installed, it will basically stop and wait for you to hit and enter. Only when you hit enter, it will go to the next step.
Okay.
But it is a single script. It is supposed to be done in a single script. So the master installer will stop at the it will stop at the one view.
Okay.
Okay. HCG I think is a manual install.
I mean, similarly, how we actually install a normal HCG, we need to follow the same steps.
Yeah, so post HCG there is a master installer for HCG as well, but I think it only installs the HLM part. I don't think it does the
The
it just
controllers as well
yeah
as
yeah
okay.
yeah. See, basically it's just doing HLM VM is up. So till HCG it does, and after that uh, sorry till HLM VM it does. After the HLM controllers and all, we have to do it manually. Is what
Okay.
I am thinking. I'm not sure about that. Okay, but if you reach
Yeah.
till one view, then I'll give you a party tomorrow.
I can't maybe. You're so confident, I'm sure I can't.
Yeah. See, it's been like we are installing one component per day, and sometimes store virtual we've been at it for 2 days now. So
Okay.
hopefully the vCenter install and all shouldn't take time.
Yeah.
Okay. So the other thing is, I don't know if you have the CID as well. So I'll send you the CID also. So for any IPs and all that, right, you need to refer to the CID.
Okay, sure. I mean, what are the list of documents that are required? Could you please forward that to me?
Yeah. I think these are the only two things. I'm sending you the
Troubleshooting guide also.
Yeah, I sent you the troubleshooting guide already.
Okay.
I'm just sending you the starter kit port map and enclosure starter kit, this 1.1
Okay.
listings and all that. Okay. I think that's all that we have right now.
Okay.
Adi,
The credentials. Yeah.
installation guide जरा मुझे भी भेज दो. I think I have the wrong one.
Okay, you want me to? I can give it to you tomorrow. It's about 21 MB. Okay, if you.
कल ले लूंगा.
Uh,
विश्वा के पास है, विश्वा को भी चाहिए होगा. तो ठीक है, कल सब लोग ले लेंगे.
हाँ.
In some common place. Do you have that FTP site वहां जहां पे सब कुछ था, वहां से भी सब कोई ले सकता है.
वो FTP site basically is not accessible right now.
Okay. Okay. Anything else?
I have the older FTP site where we did that full HCG wala.
Okay. Okay, no issues. Anything else? So Avinash will be reaching out to Mukul. Sunil.
Sunil.
Right?
Yeah. I'll reach Sunil if there are any issues in between.
Wait.
And I'll update at the end of the day what's the status here.
But
Yeah, Sunil and Avinash need to work.
Yeah.
Okay. So hopefully we'll be done with this part, and then you can start from tomorrow.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Otherwise, I'll tell you what all we need to do and what all we have done and what you need to do for the store virtual as well.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So I mean, it's not VSA; it is store virtual.
Okay, store virtual
So you know
contains
the issue
either
that happened.
VSA or 3PAR, isn't it?
Yeah. See, no. See, basically, VSA is an appliance. Store virtual is a physical box.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
so the mistake that happened here was right now the installer doesn't distinguish between store virtual and VSA. So if you look at the playbook, it basically has both VSA and SV and store virtual. Okay. So we just hit the installer. We just hit enter when it stopped at after the SXI installation. It asked us to continue with the VSA deployment. It went and overrode the store virtual appliance and went and installed HLinux on top of it.
Oh, okay.
So that became a big issue. Basically, it overwrote whatever was there existing on the left hand on that physical box. So we had to put a CD and restore it to the old version.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that is a big issue. So be very careful. So what I have done is I have basically backed up the original listing into .bkp.
Oh, okay.
You're able to see my screen?
No, Adi.
No. Okay. So basically, what I've done is I've done a backup of the original Ansible master installer.
Okay.
Okay, and in the new Ansible installer, I have removed that PSA part and I've just retained storage.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. I think that's all that
Cool.
I need to
I
tell
will
you.
I will send you a recording within an hour or two, and
Yeah.
that's all. And maybe tomorrow, your time night, okay, or evening, Adi will sync up with you once. Means Monday morning our time, okay?
Yeah. Sure.
So tomorrow I'll come in slightly late, Avinash. I have to go to the embassy actually.
Hmm.
Okay.
Uh,
Fine.
so I'll be in at about 11:30 my time in the morning. So about 10 p.m. your time.
Okay. Fine,
Aditya,
Adi.
will you be in a bus or something at that time?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. My bus. I actually not sure whether what's the timer from bus. I'll just mail my update. Uh, and you can call me. I can just say the status, what exactly is done, what
Okay,
exactly is
sure.
going
What
on.
time is your bus?
I think it's around 9:30. I think, but I'll just check it once again. 9:30
Which
or 10. I'm not sure.
which bus are you going?
Orange Travels. I even not
What
sure
man?
about Travels. It's
KSRTC you didn't get, huh?
I never booked KSRTC. I did not find it. I mean, I did not try the RTC itself.
Oh, KSRTC is awesome, man. You have a Mercedes-Benz bus and all.
Oh, is it?
KSRTC is awesome. Okay,
At
anyway.
least APSRTC is not that much good. That's why I never preferred RTC.
APSRTC is very, very bad.
Yeah, I don't know about KSRTC. I never went to it, so maybe.
Okay, I'm
Try
stopping the
KSRTC.
recording now, okay? Because all this case.